Hello, good morning. Look at me. Look at my face. Do I look happy? No, I do not look happy. I am stressed. Why am I stressed? I am holding my phone, but it is not working. The screen is black. It is completely dead. Normally, this is a disaster, a big problem. Usually, the first thing I do is check my phone. I check emails, I look at social media. But today, I cannot. At first, I feel panic. My heart beats fast. What time is it? I don't know. What is the weather like? I don't know. I feel disconnected from the world. Do you feel lost without your phone sometimes? I think many people do. But then I stop. I take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Maybe this is not a disaster. Maybe this is an opportunity, a challenge. Today, I have a new plan. I will show you how to survive a day offline, and not just survive, but enjoy it. I am Sophia, and this is my day without a phone. I will speak slowly and clearly for you to learn. Let's make a sequence of events. Listen to the order. First, I wash my face. Next, I brush my hair. Then, I put on my favorite yellow jacket. It is a happy color. I need to find a repair shop to fix my phone. I open my front door. The air is cool on my face. The sun is shining brightly. It feels warm on my skin. Usually, I walk with my eyes down. I look at my screen. I don't see anything around me. Today, I look up. I am walking to the repair shop. It is a long walk. I hear noises. I hear cars. I hear people talking. I hear leaves in the wind. The world is noisy, but it is a good noise. Oh, what is that smell? It smells delicious. Is that a bakery? What is that smell? Do you smell that? It is the smell of fresh bread. I am walking past a bakery. It smells like sugar and butter. It makes me very hungry. I decide to stop. I want a snack. Oh no! Oh my goodness! I remember. My phone is dead. It is broken in my bag. I cannot pay with my phone. I have no credit card. The seller is looking at me. I feel embarrassed. I feel stupid. This is a micro conflict, a small problem. What can I do? Do I leave? I really want that croissant. It smells so good. Wait, stop. I am checking my jacket pockets. I feel paper. Yes, I pull it out. It is cash, a $10 bill. I have real physical money. I forgot I had this. I feel so lucky. I smile at the seller. I give him the cash. Stop. It's time for a teaching break. Let's look at some special words and phrases. These are important for level A2 English. Today, my phone is dead. It is broken. These are similar. Broken means it is not working physically. Dead often means the battery is at 0%. If your car doesn't start, the engine is dead or broken. You cannot use it. Repeat after me. My phone is dead. I paid with cash. Cash is physical money, paper notes or metal coins. It is different from paying with a credit card or a phone app. Many small shops like cash. Repeat after me. I have some cash in my pocket. We use sensory details to make stories interesting. Smell. It smells good. Taste. We will taste soon. Feel. The air feels cool. Try to use these verbs. Smell, taste, feel, look, hear. Great job! Now let's go back to my day. I have my croissant and I am still walking to the repair shop. Okay, I am sitting in a park now. It is time for my snack. The croissant is still warm. It is wonderful. I take a big bite. The taste is sweet and buttery. I wish I had coffee, but this is perfect. Eating slowly makes me enjoy it more. Usually I eat quickly while typing on my phone. I continue walking. I see an outdoor shop, a flower stall. There are so many colors. Red roses, yellow daisies, purple tulips. They look vibrant. I decide to buy some flowers to make my room look cozy. I need to talk to the seller. Yes, please. I smile at her. Red roses. I point to the roses. They look very fresh. She prepares the roses. 6 red roses. They smell amazing. A very classic perfume smell. I have the cash from the bakery. I pay the lady. I say, "Thank you very much." She says, "Have a nice day." This simple conversation makes me feel good. It is real human connection. No text messages, just talking and smiling. I go back to the park. I sit on the grass this time. I place the flowers beside me. I have some free time. What do? Usually I play a game on my phone or scroll through pictures. Now my inner monologue starts. My thoughts are quiet. I look down at my hands. Then I look up. Wow, the sky is so blue. It is a brilliant, bright blue. There are a few fluffy white clouds. They move slowly. I see birds flying from tree to tree. I hear them sing. It is a sweet sound. Simple things make me happy. Why did I forget that? I spend 1 hour just sitting. I do nothing. It is not boring. It is relaxing. It is peaceful. I think about my life. I think about my friends. I realize I don't need my phone every minute to enjoy my life. The real world is beautiful. Okay, it's your turn now. Let's practice speaking. Remember, to learn a language well, you must speak aloud. Let's do some shadowing. Shadowing means you repeat exactly what I say immediately after I say it. Try to copy my slow speed and my pronunciation. First, listen. The bread is warm and sweet. Now, repeat with me. Ready? The bread is warm and sweet. Excellent. Next sentence. Listen. Simple things make me happy. Together, go. Simple things make me happy. Perfect. Your English is improving. Now, a mini quiz to test your listening. Do you remember? I was at the bakery. How did I pay for the croissant? Look at the options. A, with my phone app. B, with paper cash. The answer is B, with paper cash. My phone was dead, so I could not use the app. Congratulations if you remembered. Cash saved the day. It is afternoon now. The repair shop is open. The technician fixes my phone. He says it was a small battery problem. He gives it back to me. I hold the phone. It feels heavy now. I press the button. Beep! The screen lights up. It is colorful. It is working. I am back at my house. My phone works again. The disaster is over. I see my notifications, many messages, many emails, but I do not feel stressed. I put the phone down on my table. I do not look at it yet. I put the red roses in a vase of water. They smell lovely in my room. Today was a good day. Today I saw the blue sky. I smelled the fresh flowers. I talked to real people. I enjoyed my quiet thoughts. I learned that life is bigger than a small black screen. Offline is also a good place to be. So, that was my day without a phone. What about you? Can you live one day without your phone? One full day? Is it easy or difficult for you? Tell me in the comments below.